Hi, in this video I will show you how to repair your hose for DeLonghi or Saeco machines, because they use the same, the two brands use the same type of hoses. So as you can see here, from the big pressure the hose is damaged, so we need to cut this piece and put this brass fitting on the good piece of the hose. So first we need to cut here, because you have a metal piece that goes inside the hose. You need to cut and remove the metal piece. Be careful to not damage the metal piece, because it's very fragile. You have to cut very good this. As you can see, it's getting out. Okay, now I don't want to. Okay, here is the metal piece. Remove the tube from here, and now we have to remove the brass piece. Here it is. And now we have the damaged piece here. I will use knife to slice the hose like this, so it's easy for me. Okay, here is the damaged piece here. So now it's easy. Don't forget the nut to be inside, because if you remove the nut and put the other things, you have to do it again. So this one, and now I can easily, it's not very easy, but I can put this. And remember, the cone piece have to be out. So now I have to catch with the pliers the hose, as you can see, and with the different type of pliers, you can see I will okay. And I don't squeeze with this, because I don't want to damage the brass piece. You have to be very careful. I need to go more. Also I can use, let me show, I can squeeze the hose inside the vise, and again I have my two hands to push. So now I need a little bit more. Okay. As you can see, the damaged piece is out, and to put this back together, I need to cut the hose maybe 2 millimeters out here. So I will use again the blade here. Okay, so now what's left is to push this metal tube back to the hose. So first I will use a little bit of lubricant from here, and so it's easy for the metal piece to go inside. Also I will use this pin to little bit make the hose bigger and put the lubricant inside. So now I need to, okay, so I need to push this inside the hose. So first what I'm going to do is to put, I don't squeeze the hose, it has to, only the brass piece lay on the metal. So now I will, okay, I use this because when I start to tap on this piece here, it has to go straight down, because if it's on one side, it can see how sharp is the edge of this tube, and could cut the inside of the tube, and this material can plug the hole here. So I need to go straight down like this and start to, okay. Okay, the metal piece is inside. Now I have to be sure that, yes, everything is good. So I can see, yes, I can see light, and when I do this, so it's the air goes inside the tube and it's free, there is nothing inside. So this is how to replace your repair your hose. Of course it's easy with the new one, but it's not something that you can buy from your local hardware store. And if you want to use your machine immediately, you can do this repair. Bye.